Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't already know me, my name is Sheena and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be changing things up a little bit on my channel and we're going to be doing some do-it-yourself craft. If you guys knew me personally, growing up I was a very crafty person. I was really into painting, I was really into beading. I actually went to university for art before I decided to do architecture, before I decided to do makeup. I have changed my path a little bit, but I've always been a very artsy and crafty person, so I'm really excited to show you guys. If you guys have seen the videos going around on TikTok, you guys would know what the heck I'm talking about, but I'm going to be doing do-it-yourself terracotta / stone vases. So I have a few vases just like laying around the house. So I'm going to be redoing these vases and just painting them and then just having some kind of texture to them. I am redoing my beauty room, so these are actually going to go in my beauty room. I bought some pampas grass and bunny tails to put in them. Without further ado, let's get right on into it and I'll show you guys all of my tools. Okay, so I've never actually physically done this before. This is my first time, so this is going to be a learning process for both of us. So if my method works out, great. If it doesn't work out, this video is going to be scrapped. So your first thing to do would be to get some vases, however you pronounce them. Sorry, I'm Canadian, so don't come at me in the comment. You can either thrift these. I went to the dollar store and I found a really cute selection in the dollar store. 2 of them are from actually getting like flower deliveries. The second thing I have is just a bunch of paintbrushes. These are actually the paintbrushes that I will be using, is just these cheap dollar store brushes. Everything I got is honestly affordable in the dollar store, so don't feel like you have to spend a lot of money. I also got these sponge brushes, so I'm gonna play with textures and see what I like most. I also have some baking soda. I also went and got some sample paints from Home Depot. I just purchased these because I was already there and I was looking at paint colors for when I was doing my beauty room and when I was painting the walls. I got kind of just like I want to say my aesthetic tone. So my aesthetic is very like brown and olive green and neutrals, so that's what these colors are. But I also have some paints from my art supplies. These are from Michael's. These are just the Artist Loft paints. You can get these for really cheap. I have some solo cups that I will be mixing the paint in. You want to have some type of bag to put down so you don't ruin your countertop or island. So that is what I have for supplies. So what I'm actually going to do to start is I'm going to wipe them down with alcohol just to make sure all the oil and everything is off of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that.
Yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Alright, so my next step is to actually pick a base color. So it's going to be this beige color here. It's just very neutral, very plain. I also have this more brown color. And then I also have this olive green. So these are just like my aesthetic colors. I'm going to start off testing with this vase first in a little solo cup. So I'm just going to dump some of the paint in here.
Keep on running from the truth.
And then taking some baking soda, I'm just going to dump some of this into. I actually don't know how much you're supposed to add, so this is just going to be a total on the whim for me. I'm just going to take a craft stick just to mix it up.
Might just waste away.
I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just going to take a brush now and I'm just going to paint this onto the vase.
Like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul.
So what I'm going to do before the paint kind of dries, I'm just going to keep going over it with a brush just to rough up the texture quite a bit.
On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain.
This is the first coat. I'm just going to let that dry and then I'm going to do a second coat. This is a old candle holder I had, so I'm actually going to paint this terracotta as well. So I'm just going in with that same color, but I'm going to try stippling it more.
Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting
I'm going to mix another paint. This one is just the slightly darker brown.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
This one I'm actually going to try the sponge just to see how I like this technique.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hey guys, how's it going today? Today is day 2 of painting the pots. I am going to show you guys what I did. I ended up just painting the second coat onto them. It was really dark out and I didn't feel like pulling on my studio light, so I just finished it. Hey guys, so it is a couple days after I finished painting the vases, so I want to show you guys what they look like, and I am so excited about them. You have no idea. So the first one, I'm going to leave my favorite one for last, but I'm going to show you the first one. So this is the first one. So I just roughed it up with some of that beige paint. I really want to get some pampas grass for this. I have pampas grass, but I don't have enough, so I need to get more for this one. I think I'm going to get a white pampas for this. But this is absolutely beautiful, so I don't exactly know where I'm gonna put this one in my beauty room yet. I almost wish I would have just like got rid of the lines and just made it like smoothed it out with some spackle or something like that, but now that it's actually done, I really like that one. Here is the second one. This one is a little bit more short and stubby, so I was thinking of just like a different floral arrangement can go into this one. But I love the look of this. I was very hesitant on the color, but it is a very Sheena Rae beauty color, so I love it. I love the neutral brown. And then there is this candle holder, which I tried a different technique on. So I tried to change up the painting style, which I actually think it looks really good and it looks like stone. I am so obsessed with it. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this one. This one was actually rose gold before, and I hated the color, so I wanted to change it up. And then my last and my absolute favorite one. Look at how cute. Guys, this vase is from Dollarama, but look at how adorable it is. So I just put some bunny tails in it, but I am so obsessed with this vase. I mean, out of any of them, this one is definitely my favorite. And if none of those other ones worked out, I was glad to at least get one out of it, but I definitely love this color. Part of me almost like thought about repainting the green one this color just because I love this color so much. But that is the vase. I'm gonna show you how I styled this one in my room. The rest of them aren't really styled, but I'm just gonna show you guys. So here's the vase. This is just a corner of my beauty room here. This picture is gonna be hung, so just ignore that, but look at how cute. I feel like it just goes so perfectly. I'm so obsessed. It looks amazing. This is kind of what I was thinking for the other one, but to be honest, I don't like, this is too colorful, but these are like some of my favorite books. I just love the front of them. So I think I might actually put some shelves up here and put the books up there so you can't see the tops, but I thought just it'd be so cute to have a little bit of something here. Even if we just move these maybe. Well, that looks a little bit cuter. This is my very first PR package, so I'm like, don't want to get rid of it. It's just a lot of memories for me. There's also this big green one, which I gotta go get some pampas for, but I'll take this way so you guys can actually see what they look like. But are they not like absolute cuteness? I'm obsessed. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for do-it-yourself crafting with me. If you guys really enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to do more do-it-yourself crafts. I go to the dollar store literally like once a week. I love Dollarama. Dollarama is my jam. I absolutely love it, and I always find the perfect do-it-yourself crafty thing. So if you guys are really into that, I will definitely put more videos of that onto my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. If you guys really like this video, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.